Hello friends, in today's video I'll show you how to edit this kind of photo with just one click. This effect is currently very trendy, so I'll show you exactly how to apply this effect in just one click. So without further ado, let's start the video. Make sure to download the PicsArt app from the Play Store and watch the video in full screen, otherwise you won't be able to understand everything. Now let's open the PicsArt app. After the editing, I'll show you a secret tool, so be sure to watch the video till the end. And once the app is open, click on the plus sign here, 80, then click on edit a photo. Your gallery will open up here. From there, select the photo you want to edit. I'm choosing a photo here. This is the photo we'll be editing today. For that, click on tools here. After clicking, you'll see a lot of tools appear. Click on this tool here. Now choose the side where you want to apply the effect. Outward. I'm selecting this area here. You can make a difference on the street. You will prevail here. Then click on the arrow here upwards, and now you can arrange the effect as you like. Here you can increase or decrease it to see how far you want the effect to go. Set it to around 80. I've set it here. After that, click on size here. Now you can adjust how big or small you want the size to be. I'm setting it to 5 here. After that, if you click here, you can move the effect from this side to that side. You can see that you can set it to any side at so I've placed it on the back side here. You can arrange it however you like and then click OK. So now I'm going to show you that secret tool. Here, click on this tool and then you can see this lens below. Click here and then click on home. Now just wait a little and the photo will be ready and appear right in front of you in full 4K. For learning print style settings, be sure to subscribe to the channel and try out several features. In the next video, let me know in the comments what kind of ATM you want to see. Now the photo is ready and has appeared here. You can see it here and you can see how much quality it has increased, as you can see. Then just click OK here. Now click at the top here to save the form to your gallery. So see you again with another new video. Everyone, take care.